Hi everyone, I am Raed Marabeh. I am a teaching assistant in Foundation Program Department of Math at Qatar University. Also, I am the lead of Math Success Zone. I'm here today to talk about Eco 360 lecture capturing system video, new opportunity to enhance digital learning content. Let me start by introducing Math Success Zone. Math Success Zone is a unit that provides academic support and monitor math students in foundation program at Qatar University. Math Success Zone provides different services, walk-in tutorial. We run exam revision sessions. We prepare supplementary resources, and we record math revision videos. Once the period of COVID-19 began, Math Success Zone strived to overcome the challenges of COVID-19 by using different online tools to learn and develop. Online learning depends mainly on videos to create an effective alternative for the classroom and make learning more equitable. We used videos in both styles, either lecture recording that record the session that we give, or Screencast technology, so record what it's written and presented in the screen. Both styles have been adopted by Math Success Zone to enable a smooth shift from face-to-face delivery of tutoring to online delivery. To facilitate this change, Eco 360 video platform was adopted. In this presentation, I will introduce Eco 360. I will share our experience of using Eco 360. I will talk about our video statistics, the effects of using videos in tutoring, and the advantages of using videos in education. Now, before we start, someone might ask, using video in education, is it something new? It looks to me some people believe it's new. It was grow up recently and grow up due to COVID-19. Actually, it's not something new. It backs to 1940s. Film strips were used as training tool for soldiers during Second World War. Also, educational TVs were created in 1950s and 60s, so it's not something new. Now, what's Eco 360? Eco 360 is a visual capture software program that records what it is shown on computer screen and records audio through an internal or external microphone. Now, there are many platforms use this. So why we use Eco 360? Actually, Eco 360 has many advantages. For instance, the video in Eco 360 is available for users as a link rather than large videos. Instead of worry about uploading and downloading and how we send it to students, simply we are handling with a link. Videos are stored in one online location as a library, and it is archived for users. They can use it anytime. The videos in Eco 360 are high quality, easy to upload them, easy to edit them, because you can edit the video in Eco 360 online even without installing them. You can cut, add some parts, you can add subtitles, you can include the questions to video. Many advantages can be used easily. And one of the best advantages for me is pausing the video, pausing the record. So you can stop recording, check something, do whatever you want, and back resume the record. And also we create in Eco 360, we can create interactive quiz or poll. Also, Eco 360 is integrable with many learning tools like Blackboard. Now, how we used it? How we used Eco 360? We used it in two ways. First, recording revision material, and secondly, by creating interactive media with embedded questions. Let's start by creating supplementary videos. In Math Success Zone, we recorded about 50 videos for math courses. The videos have ranged from 10 minutes to 60 minutes. Actually, at the beginning, we were recording 50 minutes or 60 minutes videos that review the whole section, but we discovered it's better to record short videos that that covers some objectives in each section. We share the videos with the students on a weekly basis via Blackboard channels. So we add students to Blackboard channels, and we share and we add the links of Eco360 to Blackboard. This is the page of Eco360. This is an example of our video library. This is an example of Eco360 video. As you can see, we write math using the tablet or Wacom. Also, you can connect external camera and write on paper as this video. The second way of using Eco360 was by creating interactive media with embedded polling. This is an example of math videos where we added 2 questions to this video, so students can continue watching the video without answering the embedded questions. So after 7 minutes of this video, you can students need to answer this question, and there's another question after a few minutes. One of the advantages for Eco360, we can get enough idea about the performance of students. From the polling part under the video, we can see the total number of responses. We can find the percentage of correct answers, incorrect answers, how many students answer it, etc. And we can download the data, of course. Now, let me talk about some statistics for our math videos. Now, the Eco360 platform provides a snapshot of statistics for each video as follows. Unique views, he's calculating the total number of unique users who watched the video. Cumulative views, the total number of times where the video was viewed by users. So this is an example for a video, and as we can see that he's calculating the total number of views, the view time, and the average time per student. Eco360 categorized viewers into 2 categories. Anonymous viewers and authenticated viewers. The anonymous viewers are typically come from public access link to the media. We can't identify them because they didn't log in to Eco360. But the authenticated views, we can identify them because they log to Eco360. Also, we can get an idea about the percentage of views per month. So as you can see, in August 21, there's high level of percentage of views because we just posted. Then in September also they still watch it before the midterm. Similarly, in the following term, which is in spring, so students can watch at the beginning, then before the final, a little number of students, they will watch the video. Now, we believe that Blackboard provides more comprehensive and accurate statistics than Eco360 because we can identify all users and we add them and we can check the performance of students, of every student in Blackboard. So mainly we depend on Blackboard to get idea. So all Eco360 videos, we copy them as a link, we put it in Blackboard, and we track the number of users for this video. This are the results of cumulative views for our math videos. So this is the total number of times where our videos were seen by all students for math courses. So in spring 2020, more than 18,000 students watched our video. Now, more than 18,000 times our video were seen. And it was at the beginning of COVID-19, so we were using different platforms for video. In spring 2021, we admit Eco360, and we make very well organized videos. So more than 71,000 times our videos were seen. In fall 2021, we got similar records, 72 or better record 72,596 times. For the last term, fall 2022, we calculated the total number of unique students who watch our videos. As we said, these videos are supplementary videos. It's not a must for students to watch them. So, and we discovered that 93.5% of our students used our math videos. Now, what's the students' feedback about our videos? Students were surveyed at the end of every term to evaluate our services. I am showing the fall 2020 semester results because we asked explicitly about the videos there. 135 students answered questions related to the videos as the following, and the survey data show that about 53% of students strongly agree with the statements that watching the weekly revision videos helped them to better understand of math courses, and 39 agree with it. So we got very good feedback, positive feedback about using Eco360 videos. Now, what are the advantages of using videos in education? There are many advantages. For instance, they are more attractive for students. There are important revision resources, so they can back to them as revision material. They can access to it in their own time and learn at their own pace. So anytime they can stop the video, take notes, learn in their own pace. And it promotes the students' engagement by adding different questions so students can participate more and interact more. Here is the list of references that I used in preparing this presentation. Thank you so much.